Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from North Canton, Ohio, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. I've never been to North Canton, Ohio. What a pretty trippy packaging. Can't wait to find out what this is. As always, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands and thousands of videos. You can cash at me at London Hawthorne if you want to help support my channel. You can use my username London Hawthorne at rippedapparel.com. That's RIPT apparel.com, or on onceuponat.net. You'll save a couple bucks off each order, each shirt, if you find your shirt of choice and use my coupon code. Oh, this is Theraworx Relief. This is muscle cramp and spasm relief, spray metered dose. So commercials work. I actually saw a commercial for this and I thought it looked pretty legit. This is supposed to be for like muscle cramps, for soreness, and I definitely have those, unfortunately. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. Have you guys had it before? Do you recommend another one? I usually use Salonpas pain spray, but I've heard really good things about this. It's quite a bit more expensive, but YOLO, gotta feel better somehow, you know. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of the thousands and thousands of videos. Have a great one and hope you guys are feeling good.